Hello, this is Brainiacs A+. And if your grade's 4 and under, well, your answer is negative 180. Now, number 2. A pool will be drained at a constant rate of 51.2 liters per hour, starting at 8 o'clock a.m. After 1 hour, the change in the amount of water in the tank can be represented as 51.2 dot. Alright, let's see. Where am I? Which of the following represents the total change in the amount of water in the tank by 8 a.m. the next day? Alright, so what we have to do is add these because this is 2 days. 2 plus 2 is 4. Let's put that beautiful decimal down. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 5 plus 5 is 10. Now we have to multiply by 12 because this is at a rate of 12 hours. Now, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 0 is 0, and 2 times 2 is 1. I mean 2. Now, you put a 0 at the end because you have to hold your place. 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 1 is 1. Now we have to add. 8 plus 0 is 8, 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 0 is 2, and then bring the 1 down. We have to put our decimal right between 8 and 8. And since it descends and the pool goes down, we have to put that negative. Your answer is negative 1,228.8. Let's go to number 3. Now this is number 3 we're going on. I love number 3. Hello, this is Brainiacs A+. We're going to do a math tutorial today. If your grade's 4 and under, please do not watch this. We don't want to get the brains mixed up. Alright, let's start with number 1, shall we? Ben went deep sea diving with some friends. If he descends at a rate of 6 feet per minute, what integer represents his depth in half an hour? So descends means go down, and we have 30 minutes because of half an hour, and we have him descending at a rate of 6 feet constant. We have to multiply these because we need to know how much he descended at. So we scratch the 0 at the end. 6 times 3 is 18. Now we're left with 180. Go down. That means negative 180. Let's go to step number 2. That should have been easy. A pool will be drained at a constant rate of 51.2 liters per hour, starting at 8 a.m. After 1 hour, the change in the amount of water in the tank can be represented as 51.2 dot. Which of the following represents the total change in the amount of water in the tank by 8 a.m. the next day? So we have to add these because these are 2 days. These are days. 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 1 is 2, 5 plus 5 is 10. We have to put that beautiful decimal in 2 and 4. Now we have to multiply by 12 because those were the how many hours of it. 2, let's cover the 1 to make this complete understanding. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, let me put the 8 in the other place. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. Now, let's start on the other one. We have to put 0 to hold its place. 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 1 is 1. Let's add. 8 plus 0 is 8, 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 0 is 2, and 2 plus 0 is 2, and then we put the 1 down. We have to add the decimal between 8 and 8 because you have to always go down on that decimal. Now it says the tank is emptying, so that means go down again because these are integers. So it's negative 1,228.8. Now let's do number 3. Jonathan is keeping track of how much money he earns in hours spent last week. He bought a cup of soup for $6. That's negative 6. Because he bought a cup of soup. And he earned $13 for cleaning his room. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are left with $7. He spent $8 to go see a movie with his friend. That is negative 1. And he acquired $9 for getting an A in math. That means that's plus negative 1. That is 8. and he found $3 in the restroom. How much money did he have at the end of the week? 8 plus 3 is 11. So he got, he's how much left? He has $11 left. Here's the last question before we go. If the temperature in the North Pole is negative 20 degrees and it drops another 12 degrees, what will the temperature be? We have to add these because it says what will the temperature be. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 2. And, 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is of negative 32. That's how much it drops. Before we go, please like our video. Bye!